Okay, so creating the depth map you want from your selected image, it is a very simple process and it takes about a minute to do. Just upload your photo, select the depth map style, and then press go. So this will generate now, it'll take a few seconds, and then once it's done, it'll come back with your generated depth map. So now all we need to do now is download this as a PNG file, so just an image. So once it's downloaded to the computer, we'll open up LightBurn, we'll import the image in, we'll set it to the scale and everything of how we want to engrave it. So once you're happy with the placement of everything of where you're going to engrave it, and all your settings are all set up how you want them, and that was just basically a case of connecting the computer to the laser and pressing go, and then just letting it run. So just like last time when we made a video using the Mark AM website, we put a promotion code up then. I'll do it again now. So I'll put the promotion code details down in the description if you want to get extra money off. And just like last time, this promotion code will expire, we'll say after 25 people have used it, the code will expire. So if you are looking to use the website and you are looking to purchase some extra credits, use the promotion code down below before it runs out. I'm going to show you a few examples here of items we've actually made using the depth maps made on the markam.uk website. First of all, I'll show you this one because this is the only one I've done where it hasn't actually been engraved on a coin like these have. This was actually done using 2mm solid brass. As you can see, all the details have come out really nice. The eyes have gone quite deep. The cheeks are puffed out a little bit. All the depth details are there. We did actually go a little bit quicker with speed and less power to try not to make it too 3D because it was only 2mm. I didn't want to go too deep on it just in case. But you can see we've actually cut this out and the line on it, everything is just so clean and immaculate. It can do with a little bit more polishing because we do still have some scuff marks on there. But that's fine for this. This was just a test piece just to see how it would turn out. But again, as you can see, the details on that are just stunning. I'll put a link down in the description for all the files used on these as well. I'll show you this one last because on the back side of it is a depth map style I used from another website and it is absolutely shocking. So we'll have a look at that one last. Again, this was just another test where I've gone super deep with it. You can see how deep the actual details are on it. Again, this was just a test on a brass coin just to see what it would look like super deep. It did look a little bit better than this, to be honest with you, but I put some of the brass black on it and it just hasn't turned out as well as I thought it would. And now this one was just created from a 2D vector, which we just run it through the program just to see how well it will work from flat images. And again, the details on that have come out really nice. Again, I think I've kind of ruined it with the brass black, because where the brass black is up here in these small details, I couldn't really buff them out, but on the sides where the more open details are, I have. So I personally think I've kind of ruined that one, but you can definitely still see all the details from where the depth map is engraved. And again, that looks absolutely stunning in the right light. And again, here's another one we actually did from a flat, just standard vector image, and we converted that to a depth map. And I actually tried to cut this out. That's what that little circle is there for. Yeah, and I think this is like a 3.5, maybe 4mm thickness coin. And I just couldn't get it to cut through. It was definitely user error. I was just using the wrong settings. But the actual depth map engraving has turned out really nice itself. I just kind of wish I didn't go and try and cut it out and I just engraved all the background as well. And then here's one. Somebody shared on Facebook some free AI generated Star Wars images. And again, I used it to convert it into a depth map. And you can see all the details on there are just stunning. Everything's come out again really nice. I did put brass black on this one again, but you can see I've managed to get most of that back off. But in all the small nooks and crannies, it is still in there. So it does kind of make that pop a little bit. And then this is the most recent one I've done, which is probably one of my favorites. And you can just see how clean and smooth and reflective that is. Again, we put brass black on this where it's gone in all the little edges and everything. And we've just managed to buff everything out and get that really nice shine to it. Yeah, as I mentioned, on the back, we used another website to create the another depth map, which they offer on their site. That is it. I've tried buffing it out and everything to try and make it look as good as I can. I used the exact same settings for that side as I did for that side. It doesn't work. It's just a flat engraving. As you can see, there's no depth to it whatsoever. But the one we did, you can see plenty of depth, all the details in there. And that is one of the best things about using markam.uk, because it's created by people with lasers for people with lasers. We're not just in this to make money like other sites are, and we do run all of our styles through lots and lots of tests to make sure they do work as they should. So yeah, as I mentioned, guys, all the files for these I've made will be down in the description. They'll be free to try out. But again, if you sign up to markam.uk, as a new user, you do get 5 free credits to use, and it does only cost 1 single credit to make a depth map on our site. And that one conversion can cost you as little as 10 cents to do. So I'll put the image for the depth map we use for this on this side, and then on this side, I'll put the depth map on this side of what was given from the other site. And you can see the clear differences of why one worked and one didn't. And again, I'll also put up on the screen the original image we used, just so you can see the likeness from the original image to the final result we got. So once the coin was finished engraving, I dipped it and left it for a couple of minutes in the brass black solution. That just darkens up the brass, and then once you take it out to dry, you can just polish it away, and it just gives that extra little bit of depth to the coin. But as you can see here, I'm just giving it a quick once over now, just a very quick polish on it, just to bring out the shine of the coin. I'm not going to go into too much details about how I actually finish my coins off, but if you would like to know and you'd like to see a video on it, drop it down in the comments, and if enough people are interested, I may make a video on it in the future. It is a very quick process. This one I probably only buffed like 2 or 3 minutes, but it's just about using the right tools. But you can see the end result here really does pop. It stands out really nice, and the coin just shines like it's brand new. And then we did the exact same thing for the other side, where we engraved the poor excuse for the depth map, and we tried polishing it. We tried doing the exact same thing as we did on the other side with the proper depth map. But you know what they say, you can polish a turd, but it is still a turd at the end of the day. We really did try, to make the details stand out, but it's just flat. There's no depth to it whatsoever. So you take away from that what you will, but it really doesn't work. But that is it, guys. A nice short and sweet one today, just showing you that our website now does allow you to create depth maps from images. It's very quick and easy to do and costs as little as 10 cents. So get over to markam.uk now, guys, and check it out. As I mentioned, new users do get 5 free credits, and the files I've shown in this video I will put in the description for you to download for free to try out. And also there will be a promotion code down below for the first 25 users. So get that while you can, guys, because the last one didn't last long at all, and it'll be exactly the same with this one. So don't miss out on that. And also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like the video as well, guys, because it does help us out a bunch. And just leave us a comment if you like, just saying hey or what's up, anything. Honestly, it really does help us out loads. I'm off to go and engrave some more depth maps on some coins. So have fun with it, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Ta-ra.